Hello everybody, this is Jacob with Nexus. I am here at 73 Newell Street, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. This is a second floor, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom, renovated, updated unit. This includes a brand new fresh coat of paint, brand new laminate wood flooring, and brand new remote controlled light fixtures. So we're going to start our walkthrough right in the spacious living area that you have. So plenty of room for all kinds of furniture setups. You also got lots of outlets along the walls. For any kind of electronics that you'd like to have in here, the living area does basically lead to the rest of the unit and houses your main entryway to the unit. And again, all renovated and updated. You'll notice it throughout the entire walkthrough. It looks fantastic all throughout. With the living area, you do have some wide open, spacious windows that let in lots of natural sunlight, give you some street views. And overall, just a very open space for lots of personality to be put in here. Awesome. So that's your living space. We'll flip around now and check out the kitchen area. Small little kitchen area, but again, basically completely renovated. Got a small space in the corner here, maybe for a small to medium-sized dining set, but you can end up probably using the living space for a dining set. There's plenty of room, so that'd be my recommendation. But back to the kitchen area. Wide open countertops with a lot of outlets for any kind of kitchen plug-ins. You've got plenty of cabinets up above and below for kitchen storage. And all stainless steel appliances. This includes the dual bin stainless steel sink. You have the stainless steel 4-burner stove and oven with the exhaust fan. And right in the corner, the medium-sized stainless steel refrigerator. Awesome. Last thing to note with the kitchen is it does lead to your small private deck right over here. Always a little additional plus to have something like that. Thought I'd point it out real quick. Awesome. Next, let's check out the bathroom, and then we'll check out the bedrooms after. So first up is the bathroom. Pretty good sized bathroom. You got an additional pantry closet in the bathroom for some storage. You got a newer sink setup. So cabinets underneath for more bathroom storage. Again, it's brand new, so it looks great. You got a wide open mirror up above. And of course, you got the full tub and shower hooked up and ready to go. Awesome. So that is your bathroom setup. Last but not least is the 2 bedrooms. We'll start with the bedroom on the left side. So both bedrooms are identical in size and features. Again, renovated, updated all throughout. Recommended bed size for both these bedrooms, I'd probably just stick with a standard or full, as it will allow you for plenty of space for all kinds of other pieces of furniture. I should also mention that both bedrooms house their own closet spaces too. There's some additional storage to this unit. But yeah, overall, beautifully updated all throughout. Check out the bedroom on the right side. Again, standard full bed set should be able to work just fine. The updates look amazing. Okay, so once again, this is 73 Newell Street, located in West Warwick, Rhode Island. Before I go, I'd like to remind everybody, as always, to please subscribe to the Nexus Property Management YouTube channel, so you can keep up to pace with all the listings that we have available on our site. And of course, any news related to real estate and property management will be located up there as well. Thank you very much.